What is going on, everybody? Michael Ma here, and today we're going to be picking up my new puppy. So I already told you guys in my last video I was picking up a golden retriever. So Alex is here with me.
Hey, what's up, guys?
So make sure to go follow him on Instagram. I'll have a pop tag. Hey doggy. Hey bud. Hey bud. Here's one of the golden retrievers here. Hey bud. And I'm here with my family. And I'm about to show you guys my puppy later. So this one is the puppy we're getting. I already have a name for him. And we'll tell you when we get home. So this is Hangry. He's a British golden retriever. And this is his mom. This is his mom. We're going home right now. Well, bud. Guys, he just threw up all over me. Now we're at a gas station. He's over there. I mean, it's like a step of like taking care of a dog. I mean, yeah. He won't walk. Come here. This is your new house. This is your new house, new home. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up today's video, and his name will be Mac. Yes, so his name will be M-A-C. Look at him. He's so cute. So it's been for past 2 days. He's doing great at our house. And yeah, so I'm gonna wrap up today's video. His name will be Mac. I'm definitely gonna have more videos for him. I'm gonna get like more stuff for him to play with and stuff. So yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe and comment for this video, and I'll see you guys next time for unboxing coming soon. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and peace out.